astromadvisor.blogspot.com was this flood video at Kalsi Bazaar. Government is not protecting this nearby land of Kalsi River, Amlawa River. This is a sublink of Yamuna River. This is side canal road, canal एक mini canal which is linked to Amlawa River. Government is not providing protecting wall for their agricultural land, so it is a major drawback. While Uttarakhand government already told that 70-hour ultimatum, rain ultimatum, huge rain ultimatum. In this rainy season, this is the second time flood is overflowing on this river. This is a danger point also. So here you can watch, there is no any protective wall for their agricultural land. Even government is taking a tax also. This is new built canal, having by stone. Second time flood. Flood when this rainy season. There is a need any protecting wall for their agricultural land, but no in this rainy season. In the last, I think 40 years before, this huge flood is coming came here. And that time you can see that home wall is already cracked due to this flood. And also some part of agricultural land is leaking by flood. Huge rain is coming in Kalsi Bazaar, in Jaunsar Wapar of Uttarakhand area, in West Dehradun. Today date is 17 July 2016. This is evening time, 7 o'clock. Apart it, you can watch our another blog, indiatourist.blogspot.com, indiatourist.blogspot.com. You can watch, you can see here some new tourist place of modified living, and another blog, and you can enjoy shopping also. You can see our blog, another blog, astromadvisor.blogspot.com. This This is well popular for exercise blogs. And another blog is collegecampuses.blogspot.com. College campus spelling is college campuses.blogspot.com. Here you can see this blog. You can enjoy college campus live blog. This is especially well popular is the worldwide label. Or for blog is a worldwide label popular since 2012. Another is you can watch our website also, www.indiatourism.in. India tourism spell out India tourism.in. This is a equivalent slipped from this man agriculture land in last 5 years back. At that time that huge rain fall in this area, and this crack you can see here on this house wall. At that time this overflow river passed here. So at that time this house damaged, and even government is providing some insurance about damage, some lack of protecting wall. This agriculture land can be not protected during flood area. Currently, if you can pass this pipe have already protecting base pipe also due to fast rain, huge flood flowed here. So at that time that pipe pass away due to huge flood. Thank you. This is Kalsi Bazaar, old Kalsi, the back area of Kalsi Bazaar. Here is a past Yamuna Amlawa river. This is sublink river. This is sublink river of Yamuna river. It is only flow in Jonsa Power in Chakrata area. The place this is you can see there, this is a seasonal wheat grinder, natural wheat grinder by water. Here is some far places people coming here for grinding their wheat. Agriculture, some farmer are coming here, is coming in seasonal. This is a seasonal wheat grinder, natural water wheat grinder here. You can watch this small house, just like in a desert area. You can see there is a windmill also. And same like that, where is water is flowing, river is flowing. Same like that, there is a water mill. You can say water mill grinder also find here. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching our blog. http.astromadvisor.blogspot.com. You can see our blog our blog is a popular for worldwide level for consumer power in the base for all kind of HR, marketing, and new law updated. You can see in our blog also tax related activities, tax related uh, law. You can see in our blog also. Thanks a lot for watching our blog, and you can shopping through our blog also worldwide level, multi currencies, country wise. Thanks a lot for watching video. Have a nice day.